Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Extremis. So today we are doing fishing trick shots with this tiny rod. So yeah, let's get started. There is 4 levels: easy, medium, hard and impossible. So let's see if I can do it. I finally got a chest strap, so let's go. Okay, so the first one is the easy one. We start at easy. Let me just adjust this chest strap. So we start at easy, and yeah, so easy, we're gonna stand here, right here, and must go through one of those net holes. So my dog's in the way, so yeah, I'm quickly just gonna explain what's everything. So there's easy, then I'm just gonna show you one of every. There's medium, wait, there's medium, and impossible, and we have a hard right there at the watering bowl for the dogs. So hopefully it doesn't take too long. I have a tiny rod, so let's just get it nice and ready. First try, a little bit off, but we're gonna get there. And my camera has tilted. So this bolt on this camera chest, the bolt on the chest strap is not the strongest, but it's okay. It's just me, or must this thing sit higher? I filmed my dog jumping on me, but let's go. Oh, it's there, it's in the center, but not range, not as much range as what I wanted. Let's see. No, that's way too bar side. So let's go. Oh, it hit the ball. Okay guys, let's see how many tries it will take. Yeah, that's the one. No, it hit on the bottom. It went through, but on the bottom. Oh, just real. No, it hit on the bottom, not where I wanted to. No. I'm quickly just gonna get this chest strap at the put a little bit higher, get it not tight. So the sinker must go at least like through one of these holes up here. So let's see. I'm just quickly gonna get this chest strap adjusted. Okay, let's try. No dog, it's in the way. Let's go. Oh, way too short. Okay. Oh, I did the ball. Yes, oh no. Let's go. Oh my word. Literally 2 feet off. We would have hit it. But I see we have a problem up here, what I don't like. If you guys can see it. Can help. Here we go. Problem is fixed. Looks like. So let's try again. That's it. No way. It went over the other levels. It's stuck on the cord. No way, guys. It went over the net into the gap. That was the other hard one, or medium, and twisted around this cable. I don't know if it's on. I wouldn't like it. Ow. That's not probably a good thing. Sorry, I just cut myself on a zip tie. That's very good. Let's see if I can drop my rod. Just the extremist experience. No, man. Tighten it. Stay like that, please. Stay like that. Oh no, I'm too short. It's an easy problem to fix, but just the pole must go on the other side. Ah, there we go. Yes, my pole is probably damaged, but this thing is unbreakable. Go. What's wrong with the reel? Go. See now. There we go. Okay. Problem sorted. Took way longer what it needed to, but yeah. Let's try again. We're struggling on the easy one. Yes, let's go. Right after I said it. So I'm gonna show you guys. Maybe we can get it higher. There it pops out. Let's see if we can get it higher. But we done it. Let's see. My rod's a bit scratched. But let's see if we can do it. But just a little bit higher. Not too much. Oh wow. Completely off to the side. Completely. I'm struggling on the first one. No, wait. I need to get it in the middle. Let's yeah. Let's see. Okay. Go in. No. Okay, guys. I'm just skipping the reeling in part. I never flipped the bail, or the bail flipped. Oh my word. See, because I want to. No, that's way off to the side. But I'm skipping the reeling part because I'm sure you guys don't want to see me reeling in a sinker. So this is probably gonna be the last reeling in part. My dog next to me is glitching. But hopefully, oh no. Hopefully most of the money. Oh my word. Hopefully most of the money I spent on this chest strap is worth it. But let's see. No, that's almost in a tree. Okay, guys, I don't know how I am not. There we go. No, it's stuck, but not on the right one, so it went through both. Oh, I'm struggling on the easy level. I think there's only gonna be one easy level. There we go, now it pops out. Of course, it pops out when I'm at the net. So, when I tried it off camera, before I started the video, I hit it like 5 times in a row. That's behind the net. It's literally behind the net. So, and if I stand straight, it's not gonna be as challenging. But there we go, that's it. No, I stopped it. No. But I have a lot of plans for the summer. I can't post as much because it's winter time. I can only do it at home. Fish are not biting right now. But yeah, when it's summertime, I have big videos coming. Oh yes, no, it's okay. We're counting that. We're counting that one. We hit it eventually. So off to the medium level. So the first medium level, let's just get this thing unstuck. Okay, so you shoot from here into that basketball hoop. So let's zoom you guys in. That basketball hoop. Hopefully you guys can see. Let's zoom you guys normal. Sorry guys. Just trying to figure out the zoom. There we go, that's probably correct. Okay, first try. And it went over the house. Okay, we're gonna be here for a while. So, unfortunately, oh, I must go closer. Where's that? Wait, let's go closer because it is medium level. It's still 4 ways to go with a short rod. So that's more of the challenge. So, let's see. We're basically on the basketball hoop. We threw at the back. It's gonna hop in and it's gonna obviously get stuck. Oh my word. It's not fully in. It literally made like a knot. How am I gonna get that unstuck? How? It's literally tied. Watch. It's my fishing rod. In the air, there's the weight. There's the thingy. And it's tied around there. So, just my luck. Zoom you guys out a bit. Oh, now you're looking at. Okay. So, the problem is. We probably have to cut it off. Or. This weight needs to go. Not like that. Just untying it as it's. Am I tying it or? I'm tying it. There we go. There we go. No. Now I really don't know, guys. There it snapped off. Okay. So it snapped off. Did it? Yes, it snapped off. So I'm gonna show you guys. Snapped off. Yeah, if you guys can see the point there. So let me quickly retie. So I think we're gonna need to retie a lot this video, but yeah. Okay, we're tied on. I left the tag end because I don't want to go get scissors or something to cut the tag end off. So I'm just gonna do it with the tag end. So no. So we basically got it, but it wasn't through the hoop, it was at the back of the hoop. This reel, if I reel too fast, it doesn't want to reel. Show you guys back through the hoop. Sorry guys, I can't see as good. And it's on the roof. Spectacle days, spectacle days. Oh, it's tied up again. It's just fun. This video is actually the first video you're gonna see me mad. Because oh, we got it finally, guys. I'm gonna show you guys some proof. So you see, so you look there. I'm gonna reel up all the slack line. Here the weight comes. It's coming, it's coming. There it is, guys. It's gonna drop back down, of course. But there's the weight. It's over. Let's go. And off to the other medium. We literally hit right. Trying to do the easy, and it's not gonna work. Trying not to hit my dog with the weight. So let's try. There is obviously that. Oh no, that was, if there was height, could have got there. Obviously there's that wall behind the gap and that big board, so it won't go onto the highway. That was literally the worst attempt. Let's see. No, it's stuck. There we go. No, it's not stuck. So it's gonna be a big process. I hit the board with the weight. If that counts. My dog's eating grass. If that's more interesting. Damn. So hopefully. No, that's way too high. That was way too high. So I'm trying to reel it in as fast as I can, because still needs hard and impossible. It's gonna be a tricky one, impossible. Alright, the briar. Holy damn, it's hot. That's it. Oh, I hit the board. Okay. Let's go. Okay. No, that's way. I hit the wall. Oh no, I hit the concrete blocks. Oh my word. No, it was on center. Come to me and you'll see. No, that was gonna go over the highway wall. Okay, so you guys are not gonna see after this the railings, just the throwing part. Oh, that was literally through the net. It's gonna be stuck on the net. Yeah. Okay, you're only gonna see this reeling part, or if we get it over. If we get it over, come on, man. So it must go over. You guys can't. It must go over there. If you guys could have seen. But we done it earlier in the video, but it wasn't the right. It was on easy, and we hit the medium level. So let's see. Come on, let's go that fast. Is it through? No, I swear. Okay, so I threw one. I forgot to put on the camera. It wasn't through, but it went through the net and got stuck on this wire. There we go. Now it needs to pop off the net. Come on, man. Here we go. Okay. And that's way off. And obviously this happens when I forgot to record. I threw and I threw it over the board. Obviously it doesn't happen when I record. I swear. If this, please, it's gonna make me rage quit. And we still have hard and impossible. So no, I really, after this I'm gonna go take a break, because it's actually the hottest day of the winter. Yes, I'm recording. Yes, finally. Literally when I said I need to break. Oh my word. Finally, oh my word, look at my rodas. Look at that. But we have done it. Medium level. Both medium levels are oh my word, look at that note. Okay, that's out. Medium level is done. I'm stepping on the line. I stepped on the line. Finally, guys. You guys don't know how hard. It doesn't look like a big gap, but from all the way back, oh my word, all the way from, oh my camera, from back there at the wall to it, it's up here is a challenge. I'm gonna take out the phone out of the video cam. So going on a break literally after this, show you guys the evidence. So there's the weight. It's over. You can see the line. It's over. Hopefully, let's go, and it pops off. Okay, so we need to get hard and impossible. So I'm gonna take literally a 10-minute break out of this heat because it's very hot. Start editing this video and come back and film the second half, but it's been a struggle, guys. I am tired. Get this clipped off. I'm tired and just gonna get a cold drink and there we go, that's gonna be off. So yeah, the next clip, it's me standing here trying to make the hard level, but yeah, guys, onto the hard level. So we need to get the sinker into that bucket, not the water pool, the bucket from, let me just demonstrate, like that, from all the way across the yard in that corner. So yeah, I haven't rest or took a break as long. It was like 10 minutes, but I'm just gonna stand in the sun because it's getting cold actually now. Where's the, I don't even know where's the weight. Where's the weight? Oh, there. Okay, guys. Gonna be a struggle to get literally about a foot, 2 foot, yeah, about a foot. Sorry guys, I need to talk very loudly, but about a foot off. But yeah, I need to talk very loudly because I'm standing on the highway. Basically the highway wall is right behind me. So okay, about 3 feet off, 3 foot of that blue bucket. So yeah. Oh no, that's it. About a foot off. So the range is there. Just aiming is the big problem. So this is the hard level. I'm standing in the sun because it's gonna be, no, that wasn't even close. I'm standing in the sun because it's very cold in the shadow, and I would have enough place to cast. So no, it was on the center, about a foot off where it landed. And as you guys might see my last videos, it wasn't I'm stuck in the tree. I forgot there was a tree. I don't know even where my weight there. Okay, if the tree wasn't there, hopefully I don't get stuck in the tree. Slowly, don't swing. Just slowly. No, it got stuck. There we go, it's out. Oh yes. Okay, but yeah. Oh no, you guys couldn't see it. It splashed literally in the mud pool in front of it. That was like 30 centimeters. It wasn't like, let's say 10 inches off of the bucket. No. Oh, okay, so the aiming is there, the range is not there anymore. So let's see if this clip, we don't have to cut this clip. After a while I'm gonna cut the clip. But yeah. Let's see. Range is there, aiming, I threw it over the tree again. Okay. It's very good of me. I'm a very great fisherman, guys. Very great, very great, very good. Very good fisherman. No, now it's spinning around my line. No, it's spinning around my line. And that's how you get tied up in a tree. Not what I wanted at all. Stuck in a tree. Oh yes, guys. Like, it's so tight, my drag is just snapping off. There we go. I think my weight dropped. So the second snap off of the video. Let's see if I can find my weight. Let's see. I heard it drop. But where? Just take off my glasses. See if I... The grass is long, so just shimming around my foot. I really don't want to lose a sinker, but I think we just did. Not stuck in the tree still. No. So it did drop. The problem is if the lawnmower comes and hits that weight, it's gonna be big problems. So yeah, I will find it after the video, hopefully. But let's go retie a new knot. I'm getting very close each time, so that's very good. But yeah, I'm hitting, just to show you guys, basically right here most of the time, or in the water, not, and I'm hitting here. So yeah, you guys quickly retied. Oh shit, chucked. So I think it's a heavier sinker. It feels like a heavier sinker. Obviously I left the tag on because I don't want to cut it, to be honest. So this heavy sinker, it's gonna help us with the impossible level. It's gonna be more struggling, but oh well, it's gonna help us, hopefully. It's heavier, so okay, so I threw a little bit, or like, there goes my phone. Okay, I don't know where my video stopped, but yeah. Okay, we're giving it too much power, it seems. Just trying to just bolt a little bit more. Okay. Oh, we can maybe hit the impossible level from here, but hard. Nah, that's good enough power. Just my aiming little bit off. So you guys are seeing my hand. Oh, there we go. Let's get that thing. Let's give it some line. It's the only, there we go. Add some line. There we go. Too much power. Oh, it was center. If I didn't have that much power, we could have got it in. This is probably one of my trickiest videos, but later in the year there's gonna be a very tricky video. Oh, is that through the net? Oh no. Just giving you guys some dog rubbing on its back action on this nice dead grass. Oh, the sun is very nice for him. He loves sun. To the side. Let's go a little bit closer because I'm not that good. Yes, I hit the other levels. See if we can get there. Okay, he's full of hair, grass. So with this, just moved out of the trees. Just trying to see. Okay, just aiming then, just aiming. So we went to a fish, or not like a vacation venue, and there was a river, so I tried to record, but we didn't catch anything. I was stuck on something. Here we go. Yeah, and we went fishing a few weeks ago at a weird venue, but I caught a tilapia, and at the surface, that's it. No, but the tilapia broke off literally on the edge. So yeah, and we stayed there literally for a night. So fishing wasn't that good. I'm really trying my best, guys. But this is uncut footage. I just cut for a little bit. Just literally on the side, it hit the bucket. It went through the gap between the bucket and the pipe. So at the point I'm gonna start sitting and doing this because where did that land? What? Imagine it was in the bucket. I would be. Let's try again. No, that was off. Just stop it right there. That was way too off. So it takes time, you know. I only have a sinker on because I don't want to ruin my lures. But yeah, the impossible level is gonna be very, very tricky. Actually, I think it's gonna be more easier. That's over the roof. Okay. Okay, so my dog's there, so I'm not gonna throw anywhere close to that. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the impossible level. So we're gonna stand there at the water bucket, and we need to get the sinker in that big hole, like so. Yeah, so it needs to be in that big hole in the swimming pool. So just wait for my dog. Let's go try the impossible level, then we come back to do the hard level if the dog. Okay, no, my dog's actually leaving right. Okay, fortunately we have to go on. Oh, that's there. My aiming is just not there. My aiming. I wish I was like spot on, then I can use the power or adjust power, or but it literally bounced off the wall, hit the bucket, dropped in the water pool right in front of it. My word. But guys, I really I'm struggling to get video ideas, so if you guys have video ideas, please let me know for the next few videos in the winter time. Let's see if we can get video ideas what I can do at my house, so like challenges, school challenges. Yeah, so we're just wait. My dog's eating grass, but we're getting very close. Or we need to transfer our pool into a fishing pool. No, that will be an insane video, but my parents won't let me, unfortunately. Imagine ice fishing. So I'm just waiting for my dog. Let's go try an impossible level. Let's see. Hopefully we just get the impossible level first try. So I allow myself to reel it in if it's over. But yeah. So my phone is... Wait, let me just tie the bolt because it gets loose. Really need to super glue this bolt. Where's my... Oh, right here. Okay. See, we just... Okay, guys. No, it's... Oh! Yes, it's in! First try. First try. It's in. Impossible level. Done. First try. Gonna show you guys. First try. Literally first try. My phone is gonna die. Almost. Look, it's in the hole. I'm gonna show you guys how the sinker comes out of the hole. Now we just need to complete the hard level. Let's see if I can do it like this. It will be even better. Okay, that don't work. Okay, let's try the hard level, guys. We're almost done with the video. Impossible is done. I don't know how. On the first try. Oh, okay. So I have the power, just the aiming. So yeah, almost done. No, that's the power is there. We got everything down to the center, just the aiming we need. Then we're done. So this video took me about 2 hours to film. It's not gonna be with editing, but yeah, this clip is getting long. This video is not supposed to be a longish video. Literally just on the side. What if you just stand like this, not getting anything else, just actually making it further, just getting my image. I hit the board. Come on, that. Ow! As I was reeling, my hand went to the blade, like this, the clip, and it hit my hand. So luckily no injuries. Way off to the side. Okay, ow, again. Goodness. Okay, guys, gonna see you when I'm just gonna skip the reeling part. Okay, so I didn't do anything from the video. My dog's there again. Okay, no, that's too hard. Go if you maybe tap it, can pop over. Okay, no. And I'm back. So hit the ground right there. It's even close. Where's that? Literally 2 centimeters off. 2 centimeters, 2 centimeters. That's literally all what I need. Just aiming, but I can't aim for good nothing. And I floated that. Okay guys, we're leaning in. So we're just gonna calm down. This is probably the video where you're gonna see me the most mad or angry or whatever you want to call it. You know what? I have everything down to the T. To the T. But just there's my dog. Oh, just need to. So you guys can probably maybe see my shadow of me. Guys, I'm counting it. If it hits the ground and it bounces in, it counts, okay? Because I'm getting really tired of. No, I'm getting really tired. How did we get the impossible level? First try. Literally, little bit more power, little bit more to the left, and we could have had it. The power is, we have the power. Too much. You are kidding me. Nothing like a video. I would spend either more money on a video than actually getting mad. I will spend money for a video, not, and just have a nice flow. Just reeling, just reeling, just reeling, just reeling. Okay, let's try again. The aiming was there, the power. Oh my word, just when I think the power is correct, when the aiming is on the dot. My word, oh my word, oh my word, at center, I have it centered. Just the power. We need power. Here we go. So I'm hitting the wall, so I'm moving more back. Of trying to get it to bounce from the wall into the bucket. Yes! My rod almost broke. Finally. Okay guys, so I thought my video was recording and I went to show you guys the bucket. I reeled everything out and of course my phone didn't record. So yeah, but that's that for today's video. Thanks for watching. Finally did everything, every break off. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you on the next video of Extremist. Peace.